A fishing pliers set suitable for both saltwater and freshwater environments. The body is made of stainless steel with Teflon coating, offering excellent corrosion resistance in saltwater. The handles are rubberized for a soft and comfortable grip. The extended front design allows safe hook removal, even when the bait is deep. Precision craftsmanship ensures minimal gap when clamping. Easily open split rings. Built-in scissors for quickly cutting braided fishing lines. Comb with mounted sheath for easy carrying. Also includes a breakaway lanyard with steel cord to prevent loss. Size comparison similar to the size of an average hand. The lip gripper is made of lightweight and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy. Ergonomic design for convenient, and comfortable use. Let's test its clamping power on paper. It holds very securely. Built-in scale lets you weigh the fish as soon as you grip its lip. The handle rotates 360 degrees, making it hard for the fish to escape once gripped. Also comes with mounted sheath and anti-loss lanyard.